So I pretty much exclusively use SONJA acrylic paints for my painting process. These are my favorite paints. They are very opaque, very matte, and very easy to use. I like to dilute it down a little bit with water, and it doesn't take much to make a really nice stroke with this paint. It has a really opaque finish, but it dries really quickly and it dries really flat. It's also very water soluble, so therefore it's really easy to clean up. I specifically water this down into my own paint mix containers, which I have a separate video on, and I use that directly into my airbrush. Here's an example of a base coated model in the SONJA acrylic. Very flat, there's not a lot of sheen to it. It creates a really good tooth for texturing on top of. It's really good if you can heat set this just a little bit, working in between layers, either with a hair dryer or gentle heat with a space heater. This is a little bit more fragile, so if you do scratch it with your nail, you're gonna see the mark. If you let it cure for the full 24 hours or overnight, it's really solid, but once you seal it in there, it's perfect. It's my favorite for hand painting any details, especially white markings, and it's also my favorite for airbrushing, and so all of my artwork on this channel and within my studio comes from SONJA matte acrylic. You can find these paints on amzn.to for anybody that is based out of the United States. I'm in Canada, so I order them specialty from certain art stores, but they're not very expensive per tube either. So if you haven't tried them, I would highly recommend testing them out. It's generally only $5, $6 a tube, which is really inexpensive for a high quality artist paint like this. Once you try it, I promise you, you won't turn back. Because these are in tubes, I like to display these upside down in my studio by just placing a bulldog clip on the end of them, folding down the front clasp and lifting up the back clasp, and then hooking them on the individual nails along my studio wall. Check out my other videos of how I process this paint for perfect mixing, airbrushing, and color swatching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Check out all of the links in the description below for products and learn more about my studio. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video helped you. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!